Welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME Past Question 21. In dispersion of light rays, which is true out of the following? Now, of all the points that were listed above, which is true according to the dispersion of light rays? A, it says it involves separation of colors. 2, separation is due to difference in wavelength. 3, it says all colors travel with the same speed in a vacuum. 4, no speed is involved. Now, A, we have I only, B, we have 2 only, C, we have 3 only, and D, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 only. E, we have 1, 2, and 3. Now, which of the following is true? That's what the question is asking us. Now, what is dispersion of light? Now that's the keyword here. It's a dispersion of light. Now dispersion of light or dispersion is simply the splitting of white light into its constituent colors. Splitting of white light into its constituent colors. And we have that the colors are given in this format, where R stands for Rugby, where I stands for red, orange, O orange, Y yellow, G green, B blue, I indigo, and V violet. Now dispersion is simply the splitting of white light into its constituent colors. Now someone might be asking, what makes white light to split? Now it actually splits due to the refractive index of the surface and the wavelength of the light. Now the causative agents of the splitting of white light are the refractive index of the surface and the wavelength of the light. Now different colors have different wavelengths. So now when this white light that has so many colors as its constituent passes through a suitable surface like glass prisms, what happens is that the white light travels at different wavelengths. The different constituent of the light travels at different length. Now due to the wavelength, you notice that what the light is splitted into its constituent. Now the question is asking us now for the points that are true. It involves separation of colors. Like I said, it is the splitting of light or separation of light into its constituent colors. That's correct. Separation is due to difference in wavelength. That was what I just explained. I said the differences in their wavelength actually contribute to the separation of this light. Now 3, it says all colors travel with the same speed in a vacuum. Now that's true. The speed of light in a vacuum is constant. The speed of light in a vacuum is constant. Now no speed involved. This is actually wrong. So now the correct option is option E. 1, 2, and 3. And that's the correct option. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.